Wilberforce ahimbisibwe Ongom oyebembire chikwekweto echo kwata musigazi Gideon Muhirwe najirangwa muhigo nubwo gwatandika ngo kandi abanira abatarukora kurunji omurimo gwabo baryene rurya
ibintu byo kugira ngo waza ku muntu ID national ID ningendanga muntu ngo abanze akwesente ningo banzo byame nawe icucugwiye ukore mu rumo gwanyu gumushime kubana mukora ubwo muhigo gutwatandika buri muntu ubona kumango naguze ndanga muntu umurukunjo nokora umunera uzo no mangu n'uryanurire
Ongom nagirango nka ofisi ya RDC tubarukuza kwicereza abakozi ba government kugumana bajumisa government kandi nashaba abatura okoresa ofisi ya RDC okuhaya abantu abechikankechi
wakuteganisa okwetoroza ijan cyakare tuhereze mukasoda manyatubugana bugana umwazi ibiti bikora uzahandanga ubushimo kubona uza offices zanera bakakwereza ndanga muntu iyi no bwire bwe kumara ibi byo kushanga nugira ngo ndanga muntu nyingi nyine bwire bwo kucekingamu ubwo n'umurimo gwawe
tugambereho na Simon nuwamanya obabire nibenda kwihaho esente kandi ebi nibyatugambire
kumara njara ntroshi desente z'akazina ntiyatumwe n'ikoranto tato ndishikunyeta tabuko atunaye mu processa
no buturabe tutabasize kugamba na Gideon Muhirwe okwasirwe tubasize kutunga marakaje arukushaba esente kandi tage hakine bwanyuma yo kukwatwa
atiya ari gice cy'ikuminetane cyo cy'uwongambire na nafu nonke cyamunana kikabasakora amazu mugangereza
tuzikamara muganda tinga kubi kuriya satno metora kore ezo munana dikwati watireba odi sindi kireden urunde mitwari 12 esandere kujo rwa gatano
esandere kujo rwa gatano
bozo yakire ID yawe
Omugandi RDC owa district ya Bushenyi arabwire polisi okwegendesereza abarukuza kwesimba ahantebe zitari zumwe na zumwe okureba ngo tubabakorese nshobi ebi abigambira ha mukoro ogwo kusibura SP Gubira Gerard obira RPC owa region ya Bushenyi barukwakira na nomusya SSP Akiria Godfrey.
You pray very good politics, don't cause us confusion. The moment you cause confusion and you disorganize security will be on you, and you say that security is harassing you. Live up to the rules of the game. Let the people decide.
Our incoming RPC, we welcome you to Greater Bushenyi region. It's a very good region, very peaceful, and it's very welcoming. And I believe you will have a better stay in Greater Bushenyi than Kidepo region where you were.
abo biro bomaze mu Bushenyi benda kusima ukubasize conductinga polisi ukagita standard basa kuri abangu ubwo bushonga bwona budondo buvamo kandi polisi bitambaraje
RPC oyakirwe araganise koragana na nabandi okora kurunji emerimo yabo.
Do you know, let me tell you, if at all police officers were only but we are introduced resources, if at all you are moving to the villages, deep there people will not be committing crime.
Cooperation, coordination, and then communication. Very important. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to share information, and when we share, we shall be communicating.
Bushenyi itwe tushemerwa munonga bamba turetera officers abasiyara kutunga experience ya gukora na forces ebiturinde baho and recommend ne kora kurunje munonga rebe tugire kwenda
amakuraga gashakwa Dan basibye na Ben Muhozi.